everyone, my name is Nhung. Today I tell a story named Stop Snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudly. Billy and Black will wake him up. They shook Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They ticked Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They play Grandpa's instrument. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chairs. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They danced to Grandma's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They style Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Billy and Black are tired. They sleep on Grandpa's floors. Grandpa wakes up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asked. Goodbye, everyone.